A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Mass Online Education. Today class is Chapter 7 Frequency Distribution Tables and Graphs. Frequency distribution tables and graphs. Exercise 7.3. Dear children, how are you all? I hope to all are safe and secure. So in the previous class, chapter 7, exercise 7.3, first problem only completed. Yes? Now continuation, second problem. Dear children, open your textbook, page number 178. Page number 178. Look at the second problem. Construct a histogram for the marks obtained by 600 students in the 7th class annual examinations. Once again repeating. Construct a histogram for the marks obtained by 600 students in the 7th class annual examinations. Already given that the table marks, class marks already given that 360 and 400, 440, 480, 520 and 560 is given to the class mark. What is a class mark? It is a mid values. Okay, here did not given the class interval, we find them. Here we did not given them class interval, did not given the class interval, we find them. Okay, frequency also given 100, 125, 140, 95, 80, 60. These are given to the textbook. Okay children, how to find the class interval? Ci means here class interval. Okay, so how can you find that class interval? So it is very easy. So what is h here? The difference between mid values of two consecutive classes. What is that h here? The difference between the consecutive mid values of two consecutive values. So here we have to take any two values. 400 minus 360, 40. 440 minus 400, 40. The difference between how much? 40. The distance is the 40. So, how to find the class interval? So, here class interval equal to x minus h by 2 comma x plus h by 2. By using this formula, how to find the class interval? X minus h by 2 comma x plus h by 2. So, here what we have to take the x, what is the first value in this case? Class mark 360. So x equal to 360. Already here given h is equal to 40. Okay. So here x minus h by 2. X minus h by 2 is equal to, what is the x here? 360 minus h is here 40 by 2. How many times possible here? 20 times. So here 360 minus 20 equal to 340. Next, x plus h by 2. What is the x here? 360 plus 40 by 2. So here how many times? 20 times. So 360 plus 20 equal to 380. 360 plus 20, 380. So here in this case, how to take the class interval? How to take the class interval? So the difference is the 340 to 380. The difference how much? 380 minus 340? 40. So that is a h is equal to 40 will become. Okay children. So now here write the class interval 340 to 380. Next 380 to 420 is right. Next 420 to 460. 460 to 500. 40 will be adding the each and every class interval. 340 minus 380, 380 minus 380 to 420, 420 to 640, 460 to 500. Next 500 to 540, 540 to 580. So it is a correct or not, once observe that. How to take the class interval? How to take the class interval? The average of class interval. How to take the class mark or mid value? The average of class interval. So here what is the class interval? First one 340 plus 380 by 2. Average. 340 plus 380, adding 340 and 380, 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 720 by 2. 2 table how many times? 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1 is there. 7 minus 6 is 1 is there. 1 to 12. 6 2s are 12 and 0. So it is 360 will get? Yes, it is a 360. So we have to take the class interval correct only. Okay children. So you did not given the class interval. How to take the class interval? By using that formula x minus h by 2 comma x plus h by 2. Okay children. What we have to take the x? Given the, what is the given that class interval first value, that we have to take the x. Okay children. Did you understand? Now let us start the graph. So here asking that graph is the construct a histogram type of graph. What is a histogram? The shape of a rectangle. Already we know that, and we do the first problem. Histogram graph. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. Okay children, let us start the graph in second problem. So here x-axis, it is considered vertical line is x-axis. Sorry. Reference to x-axis and it is a y-axis. Horizontal line is a x-axis, vertical line is a y-axis. Okay children. So here x-axis what we have to take in the given the table class interval or class marks, we have to take the x-axis, and frequency is the we have to take the y-axis. So here frequency is the 100. Here look at the table. Look at the table 100, 125. Here frequency here given class interval and frequency. So here children, x-axis is a class interval taking and y-axis is the frequency taking. So in the problem of given that marks is a x-axis and number of students is a y-axis. Consider to the frequency and consider to the class interval. Let us start the graph. So here taking the 340 to 380, write the first scale x-axis equal to, so here to here the distance is 1 centimeter. So here how many units we have to take? So here to here, so each and every unit is a 40, distance is 40. Okay, 40 centimeters units. So 40 units means here 40, 80, 0, 40, 80, 120 up to here not the space, we have to take the up to 340. Okay children, 340 we have to take. So first one class interval 340 to 380, that is take the 100 frequency. So here the mid value is the 360. So here 340, 350, 360 and 370, 380. Remaining here 350, 360, 370. So here take that mid value of 360 and take the frequency is 100. Y-axis is 100. Where is there? So here. Okay children. So here to here is a 100. So here to here is 100 and draw the histogram. Okay children, next 380 to 420 is frequency is the 125. So here 125, where is the here 100, 120. So here 125 So each two lines we have to take the 5. Consider to the 5. 125, 130, 135, 140. So here write 382, 420 is a 120. Next 125. Sorry, here 125. So next one 420 to 460 is 140. 420 to 460 is a 140. So here 140. So next one is 460 to 500 is 95. 460 to 500 is 80 is there. 80, 85, 90, 95. 95. Next 500 to 540 is 80. 500 to 540 is 80. Up to here 80. Next 540 to 580 is the frequency is the 60. The frequency is the 60. Okay children. So graph is completed. This is type of histogram construction. Okay children, construct the histogram for the marks obtained by 600 students. Okay children, it is a second problem, graph. First of all, write the scale. How much units of we have to take the x-axis and y-axis, and what we have to take the x-axis class interval and y-axis frequency, or given the table. Okay children? Okay. Next, third problem. Next, third problem. All of you look at the textbook children. I read the question. Third one, weekly wages of 250 workers in a factory are given in the table. Following table, construct the histogram and frequency polygon on the same graph for the data given. So listen carefully children. Weekly workers of 200 wages. Weekly wages of 250 workers in a factory are given in the following table. Construct the histogram and frequency polygon. We know that histograms, how to draw the frequency polygon. So how to draw the polygon graph. So we can draw the each and every frequency adding up with the scale. Adding up with the scale. Point to point draw to the with help of the scale. Okay. Curved lines. Augue curve. Augue curve means we have to draw the with hand. Help of the hand. Draw the graph. Okay children. Did you understand? Here in this problem, third one, draw two type of graphs. So what is the first one? Histogram, and same the graph we draw the polygon. Frequency polygon. Okay children, first we write here table. First write here table. What is the first one? Weekly wages. It means a class interval. Already given that the problem. Weekly wages 500 to 550. 500 to 550. Next one 550 to 600. Next one 600 to 650 and 650 to 700. So 700 to 750, 750 to 800. So what is the difference here? Each and every class interval, the difference is the 50. So here 500 to 550, the difference is the 50. 550 to 600, the difference is the 50. So each and every class interval, the difference we have to take the 50. Okay children. Next, frequency. What is the frequency here? Given that 30 workers, 500 to 550 wages of 30 workers and 42 workers. Next 50 workers and 55 and 45 and 28. Okay children. So okay, it is two table of the 2 points of the table given the textbook. So how to take the class mark or mid value? Because of we came to draw the diagram, histogram graph, then we have to take the mid values. Okay children, how to take the class mark or mid value? The average of a class interval. Each and every class interval of a average, that is called a class mark. Did you understand children? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. What is a class mark? It is a lower boundary and upper boundary. So we have to take the any class interval. The right side value is the upper boundary and the left side value is the lower boundary. We should, once we keep your hands of both on the same values, it is a right hand is a 550, that is a upper boundary, and it is a left hand, that is a 500 is a lower boundary. Okay children, it is a upper boundary. We have to right side of a value is a upper boundary and the left side value is a lower boundary. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, how to take the class mark? The average of a class interval or lower bound, the sum of lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. Okay children, so here 500 plus 550 by 2. Average means here 2 terms are there by 2. Number of observations 2. So equal to, so 500 and 550. So that is a 1050 by 2. How many times here? 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Here 5 minus 4, 1 is there, 1 0 10. 5 2s are 10. The value is the 525. The value is the 525. Next one, second one is the second part. 550 plus 600 by 2. By 2. So 500 and 550 plus 600 is a 1150. 1150 by 2. Here 5 2s are 10, remaining 1 is there, 1 5 15, 7 2s are 15, 14, 15 minus 14 1, 1 0 10, 5 2s are 7, 10. So here 575. Okay children, did you understand? Next here 600 plus 650 by 2. 600 and plus 650, 1250 by 2. So here 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. 625. Next 650 plus 700 by 2. 650 plus 700, 6 plus 6 12, 1350 by 2. So here 6 2s are 12, 13 minus 12 is 1 is there, 1 5 15, 7 2s are 14, 15 minus 14 1 is there, 1 0 10, 5 2s are 10. So 675. Okay, next 700 plus 750 by 2 is equal to 1450 by 2. 7 2s are 2 2s are 5 2s are 10. So 725. So here final for 750 plus 800 by 2 is equal to 1550 by 2. 1550 by 2. So here 700 and here 7 2s are 14, 1 5 15, again 7 2s are 14. 40, 15 minus 14, 1 is there, 1 0 10, 5 2s are 10 equal to 775. Okay children, these are class marks of a weekly wages. Okay children, the average of a weekly wages is a considered to the class mark. What is a class mark? Sum of lower boundary and upper boundary by 2. Did you understand children? Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2, that is a class mark of the table. Okay children, did you understand this one? Now let us start the graph. So in this case of a graph, two types of graph we can draw. What is that? Histogram and a frequency polygon. Okay children? Okay children, next one is the third problem. So is third problem is two types of graphs given. So what is the first one? Histogram and a frequency polygon. So now let us take the x-axis and y-axis and a scale. So first here what we have to take the x-axis, here given the class interval. X-axis is class interval. Okay children, and y-axis is a frequency. Y-axis we have to take the frequency. So here x-axis is a weekly wages. We have to take a weekly wages. So children, weekly wages and frequency is the y-axis. So here weekly wages is 500 to 550. So what is the mid value? 525. So here take the 500. So it is a scale, x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, the difference is the 50. So 50 units. And y-axis we have to take here frequency 55 up to is there. So each and every 10 we have to take the 10 units. Y-axis 10 units. Y-axis 10 units. Okay children. So here 500 and here 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800. So up to 800. So here dear children, 500 to 550 is the mid value is 525. Okay children, so enough. So here 500 to 550 is a 30 is there. So here take the x-axis. Here take the x-axis. 500 to 550 is a 30. So y-axis, we have to take y-axis up to each and every line is 10 units. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up to 90 or 100. Okay children. So here first 500 to 550 is frequency is the 30. So where is the 30? So here. Okay. So write. Okay children, it is a histogram of a 550. 500 to 550, that is a 30. Okay children, it is a 30. So here dear children, in the problem same frequency polygon, draw the graph. So what is the mid value? 500 and 550, 525. So here 525, 500, 520, 530, 540. So here 525. So it is start 525. So it is a value of 30. Put the point and circle. Draw the circle. Okay children. Next 550 to 600, 42. So here up to here 40 is there. So here to here 10 distance is there. So 50. So each line 2 units. Each line, each two lines we have to take here 2 units. So 2 lines. 40, 41, 42. So here 42. So here 42 each line. Up to here 10 units, each line is the 1 unit. We have to take 40, 41, 42. Second line, we can draw the second line. 42. So here the what is the mid value? 500, 550 to 600 and 575. So it is a 575 and 42 is there, and take the point, draw the circle. Next one, 600 to 650. 600 to 650 is, the frequency is the 50. The frequency is the 50. So draw the histogram. Okay, here 50. So the mid value 600 to 650, mid value is the 625. The middle value of mid value, then we have to take the point and draw the circle. Next one, 650 to 700. The value is the 55. So here 50, 55. And x axis is 650 to 700, and y axis is a 55. So here 50, 60. These two, see 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So each line is 1 unit taking, and 55 is the mid. Okay children, next it is keep the mid value of a 675 and keep the point. Next, 700 to 750 is the 45. Here 40 is there, the light to dark line is there, that is a 45. 45. What is the mid value? 700 and 750, 725. So it is a 725 and keep the point. Draw the circle. Okay children. Next, 700 to 750 to 800. So 828. So here to here 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 10, 28. Okay, in the before two lines leaving 28. The mid value is the 775. It is a 775, the mid value. Okay children. So this type is a histogram, and another graph is a frequency polygon. So we help of the scale. So here to here draw the line. So same. Point to point join. No need of all points, just join the point to point. Okay children, no need of all points same line. So join the point to point only. So here, up to, okay now. So it is a, yes, okay children, it is a frequency polygon with help of a scale. Okay children, okay. Next children, fourth question. All of you look at the textbook. Fourth one. Ages of 60 teachers in primary schools of a mandal are given in the following frequency distribution table. Okay. Construct the frequency polygon and frequency curve for the data without using histogram. So here listen carefully children. Given the data frequency distribution table, then construct the frequency polygon and frequency curve in the for the data without using histogram. So here also in this problem also two types of draw we can draw. Two types of graphs we can draw. So here what is the frequency polygon and what is the curve? It is a frequency polygon is the point to point join. We have help the take with help of a scale. With the help of a scale. So curved means we have to draw with help of a hand like this only. Draw the like this only. Okay children. It is help of the scale of your drawing polygon, frequency polygon. It is draw a help of a with hand. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, now take the age class interval. In the given the table, ages 24 to 28. It is a age. Okay, then consider to the class interval 24 to 28 and 28 to 32. The The difference is the 4. Each and every class interval difference is the 4. So next 30, 2 to 36, 36 to 40, 40 to 44 and 44 to 48. Okay. We have to take the class interval or age given the textbook age. Okay children. Now a number of teachers already given the table. What we have to take the number of teachers frequency. Here that is a frequency. So 24 to 28 ages, how many numbers are there here? 12. Next 10 and 15 and 9 and 8, 6. These are number of teachers. So then consider to in the table frequency. Okay children? Okay, next mid values. We know that how to take the mid value. Okay, class mark. Lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. So here 24 plus 28 by 2. 24 plus 28 is a 52 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 here. 5 minus 4, 1 is there. 1 to 12, 6 2s are 12. The value is the 26. The value is the 26. Next 28 plus 32 by 2. So here 60 by 2. 3 2s are 6. The mid value is the 30. Next 32 plus 36 by 2 equal to 68 by 2. 68 by 2. So here 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So that is a 34. And 36 plus 40 by 2. 36 plus 40 by 2. So here 76 by 2. Okay children, 76 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16. So here 7 minus 6 is 1 is there. 1 6 16. 8 2s are 16. So the mid value is the 38. 40 plus 44 by 2. 40 plus 44 by 2. 84 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 42. Next 44 plus 48 by 2 equal to 92 by 6. 92 by 2, sorry. 92 by 2. So here 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1 is there. 9 minus 8 is 1 is there. 1 to 12. 6 2s are 12. That is a 46. These are mid values. Then now let us start the graph. So in this problem we have to draw the two types of graphs. What is that? That is a without histogram of frequency polygon and frequency curve. Frequency curve. Okay children? Okay. Okay children, next fourth problem, graph. Fourth problem, graph. So here fourth problem is given to the 60 teachers and primary schools and ages. Okay children. So graph is two types of frequency polygon and frequency curve. Okay children, curve and polygon, two types of graphs draw. So here class interval, x-axis we have to take the class interval 24 to 28 and 28 to 38. So up to 24 to 48 and below 50. Okay children, below 50, and frequency is the highest is the 15. So we have to take the each 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15.
So it is, we have to take the 1 unit y-axis, and x-axis is the 24. So the difference is the 4. Then each unit, each centimeter is the 4 units. So write the scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to. Okay children. So here x axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. Okay. Y axis is a 1 unit. Y axis is a 1 unit. Okay children. So here draw the x axis. Already draw the x axis and y axis. It is a x axis and it is a y axis. So x axis we have to take the each and every 4 units. The 4 units. So here 4 up to 4 we have to take the, so much of the place is not there. So we have to take the 24 onwards. So okay, 4 x 24, 28, yes 32, 36, next 40, 44 and 48, 52. Okay, up to 52. Next y axis, each one is the 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 15. Okay. At the same time, here also same, another graph also we can draw. Y-axis. So it is a y-axis. Because of in this problem same, then here draw the curved. So we have to take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here y x-axis also here 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48 and 52. 48 and 52. Okay children. So here 32 and 36. Okay children. So here let us start the graph. So here first one is the frequency polygon. Just you keep the points and draw the with the help of a scale. Okay, here 24 to 26. What is the mid value here? 26. 24 to 28 is mid value is the 26. We have to take here 24, 25, 20. So each 2 lines 26. So the mid value of here 26. What is the value? Frequency 12. So here going to 12, 12. So up to here the mid is the mid. So here to here, yes, it is a 12. Next 28 to 32 is a 10. The mid value is the 30. So it is a 30. 29, 30, 31, 32. So that is a 10. Next 32 to 36 is a 15. The mid value is the 34. So here 30 to 36, the mid value is the 34 and the y-axis is a 15. Y-axis is a 15. So here. Okay children. Next 32 to 36 completed. 36 to 40. 9. 36 to 40, the mid value is the 38. 38 is a 9. X-axis is 38, y-axis is a 9. Okay children. So next 40 to 44. X-axis is a 40 to 44, the mid value is the 46, then it is a 46, and 8. Y-axis is a 8. Okay, next 44 to 48. 44 to 48. Then here the mid value is the 46 and the value is the 6. So polygon means we draw the first up to here draw, and here help of a scale. Only join the point to point. And here. So it is a frequency polygon. It is a frequency polygon graph. Next children, curved frequency curve. At the same time the values of mid values and the same and same y-axis values. So here 24 to 28 is a 12. Mid value is the 26 and it is a 12. Where is a 12? So here 12. Y-axis is, sorry, that is a 13. It is a 12. Okay. Next one is the 28 to 30 to 10. 28 to 30 is the mid value is the 30. It is a 30 and 10. Y-axis is a 10. Next 30 to 36 is a mid value 34 and y-axis is a 15. So we here 15. Next 36 to 40, 9. What is the mid value? 38. 38 and mid value and 9. So here 9. Next 40 to 44 is 8. The mid value is the 42 and 8. So 44 to 48, 6. The mid value is the 46 and 6. Okay children, these are points of a graph. So now what is a curved? We draw the with help of a hand. Okay, it is a with the help of a hand draw the graph. It with the help of a scale draw the graph. It is a frequency polygon and it is a frequency curve. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. Next, fifth one. It is the last question, children. Once look at the textbook. It says 7.3, page number 178, fifth question. Construct class intervals and frequencies for the following distribution table. Also draw the argue curves for the same. It means we can draw the here also two types or methods graphs. So here construct class intervals and frequencies. We know that frequency is less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. We have to find the first less than cumulative frequency and next one greater than cumulative frequency. Okay, and draw the argue curves. We know that argue curve line with the help of your hand. Join the point to point. Join the point to point. So dear children, here write in the table marks of obtained consider to the class interval. Consider to the class interval. So here number of students, that is we have to take the frequency. We have to take the frequency. Okay children. Next lower boundary, upper boundary, less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. So let us start the table. Okay children. So here write in the marks of obtained, already given the table, less than 5. Less than 5 means we have to take the 0 to 5.
Less than means in the before numbers. 5 before numbers 0 to 5 and same less than 10. So 5 to 10. Next less than 15. Less than 15. 10 to 15. Next less than 20. 15 to 20. And less than 25. Less than 25. 20 to 25. These are taking the marks of 10 class interval. Okay children. Next one frequency. Number of students considered to here frequency. So 0 to 5 is a 2 and 8, 18, 27, 35. Okay children. 2, 8, 18, 27, 35. That is a number of students considered to the frequency on the table. Okay children. So here lower boundary. How to take the lower boundary? In the previous problem we explained that it is a right side value is a upper boundary and the left side value is the lower boundary. What is the left side value in the class in interval 0 to 5? 0. Next here 5. Next 5. Next 10, 15 and 20 is the left side values considered to the lower boundary. Next upper boundary 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are upper boundary values. So next one less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. How to find the less than cumulative frequency and how to find the greater than cumulative frequency? Now we have to take here frequency, adding top to bottom is we have to take the less than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency means bottom to top adding of a frequency. Okay children. So let us start the less than cumulative frequency is the before any number is there? No. Then we have to take the 2. Then we have to take the 2. Or next adding of 2 plus 8. Adding of 2 plus 8. So how much 2 plus 8? 10. Okay children. Next here 2 plus 8 plus 18 equal to, already here 10 will get, and 10 plus 18, 28. Okay children, 10 plus 18, 28. So next one here 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 27. Next one is 27. So already up to here 28 will get, 28 plus 27, that is a 55. That is a 55. Okay children. Next one 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 27 plus 35. Next one is the 35. So already up to here we will get a 55. 50 plus 30, 55 plus 35 is a 90. 55 plus 35 equal to 90. That is a less than cumulative frequency. Next one is the greater than cumulative frequency. How to take the greater than cumulative frequency? So here children, greater than cumulative frequency is adding of here bottom to top. Then here 35 and here frequency 35 plus 27. 35 plus 27 is how much? 62. 62. Okay. Next one is 62 plus 18. So here 35 plus 27 plus 18 equal to, so here to here 62. Here 62 plus 18, 80. Next 35 plus 27 plus 18 plus 8 equal to 80 plus 80, 88. Final is 35 plus 27 plus 18 plus 8 plus 2 equal to. So here to here 88 plus 2, 90. 88 plus 2, 90. So that is a greater than cumulative frequency. That is a greater than cumulative frequency. Did you understand, children, this table? So first we have to take the marks obtained. Less than 5 means we have to take the 0 to 5, and less than 10 is 5 to 10, less than 15 means 10 to 15, and less than 20 means 15 to 20, and less than 25 means 20 to 25. That is considered to the class interval. Next one is the frequency. Number of students we have to take the consider to frequency 2, 8, 18, 27 and 35. So lower boundary, how to take lower boundary? The all given the class interval, left side values all or lower boundaries, and right side values or take the upper boundary. Okay, less than cumulative frequency and greater than cumulative frequency. Okay. Okay children, now draw the graph. So here in this problem, two types of graphs are given. So frequency distribute without histogram, frequency curved. So draw the less than cumulative frequency graph and draw the greater than cumulative frequency graph. Okay children, did you understand? I hope to understood these 5 problems. Okay. Okay children, now fifth problem. Let us start the graph of fifth problem. Here also two graphs are there. What is the first one? Also cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency argue graph. So here cumulative frequency is the less than cumulative frequency is there and greater than cumulative frequency is there. Okay children. So in this graph scale we have to take here x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. So it is a x-axis. It is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. So here children, scale. First we have to write a scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. So here children, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. So here we have to take 5 units and the frequency is up to 35 is there. So it is also each unit is a, each line is a 5 units. Okay. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So up to 25 only here taking. Okay. Up to 25 only is there. Next. Y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We have to take up to 50. No problem. So here x-axis we have to take here class interval marks obtained. Marks obtained. Okay, and y-axis is the frequency. Y-axis is a frequency and number of students and number of students. Number of students. Okay children. So here lower boundary, upper boundary already we have to take less than cumulative frequency. First we have to draw the less than cumulative frequency. So 0 to 5 is 2. 0 to 5 is a 2. What is a 2? Here 0 to 5 is a mid value is a 5 here we have to take, and 0 to 5 is the mid value. 5 by 2 is a 2.5. So here 2.5 is the this line. 0, 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10 like that. Okay children. So each is a 0.5. Each is a 0.5. Line is a 0.5. So here frequency, what is the frequency here? 2.
less than frequency is a pi is 2. So here then we have to take the class interval, and this is only we have to take. Okay children. So first one is 5 to 2. What is the first one? 2. So up to here 5 is there. Then here 5, 2. So it is a lower boundary considered to the less than cumulative frequency. Lower boundary. So 2. 0 to 5 is a 2. 2, where is the 2? So here to here 5 units. One each line is a, each 2 lines is we have to take the 1 unit. 1, 2, 4. And 4 lines we keep the 1, 4th line we keep the dot. Okay. Next 5 to 10. It means of here 5 to 10. 5 to 10 is a, so here 10. Okay children. And the next 15. Next one is the 15 is 28. So 15, 25, 26, 27, 28. Here so 25 to 30 is the 2 lines we have to take the 1 unit. 26, 27, 28. This line after only 1. Okay. Next 20, 55. So then consider to 20, 55. 55. Yes, here 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. Okay. Then here 20 to 55. Here. Next 90. So here 20 to 25 is the 90. Yes. It is a greater than cumulative frequency. It is a greater than cumulative frequency. Is join the lines with the help of a hand. With the help of a hand. Okay children. It is a argue graph of a greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. So here it is a cumulative frequency. Next one, it is also same, taking the values 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So here, so it is not there sufficient graphs, so I have to draw the only side by side graphs. Okay children. So we have to, more than graphs, we have to take the separate graphs. Okay. Next y axis. Here also 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Okay children. So here also same, write the scale. Okay, now let us start the So here lower boundary we have to take 0 to 5 is a 0, 0 to 90. So here 0 to 5 is a 90. 0 to 5 is a 90. We have take here. So once here draw that 35 onwards start because of like this. Graph 5 is a 90 and here 90. Okay children. Next 5 to 10 is a 80. 80. Next 10 to 15 is a 88. 10 to 15 is a 80. So here once look here 0 to 5 is a 90 and 5 to 10 is a 88. 85, 86, 87, 88. 88. Next 10 to 15 is a 10 to 15 is a 88. 80. 80. And next 15 to 20 is a 62. 62. 4 lines. Next 20 to 25 is a 35. Okay children, let us draw the okay children, it is a graph. Okay, it is a less than cumulative frequency and it is a greater than cumulative frequency. These two graphs. Okay children. Okay. Thank you my dear students. I hope to understood these problems and graph. Okay.